Video on how to dropship products from Temu to Shopify in 2025. Today, I'll guide you through how to dropship products from Temu to your Shopify store. This method is for educational purposes only, and you should always follow Temu's and Shopify's terms of service. First, go to Temu's website or mobile app and browse the product categories. Look for items that have high ratings, positive reviews, and good shipping times. Keep in mind that Temu isn't officially integrated as a dropshipping supplier in Shopify, so you'll be managing orders manually. Once you find a product you want to sell, download the images and write your own unique product description. Avoid copying Temu's text word for word. Original content will help with SEO and avoid any copyright issues. Next, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Products and click Add Product. Upload the product images, paste your custom description, set the price, and make sure to include your profit margin on top of Temu's cost. For example, if Temu's price is $10 and you want a $15 profit, list it for $25. For fulfillment, whenever a customer places an order on your Shopify store, go to Temu, buy the product, and enter the customer's shipping address directly. That way, Temu ships the product straight to your buyer, and you never have to handle the inventory yourself. Don't forget to update your store policies and shipping times to reflect Temu's delivery estimates. Communication is key. Customers are more patient when they know the expected wait time. Lastly, market your Shopify store using social media ads, influencers, or organic content to drive traffic and sales. Over time, track which products sell best and focus your efforts there. That's the full process. If you want to scale your dropshipping business, you can later move to suppliers that offer faster shipping or automated Shopify integration.